In front of me is Motorola Moto G 2025 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and then scrolling to click on gestures. Now tap on one-handed mode, and if you are using gesture navigation, use the switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut to activate it. Then follow those instructions to use it. To disable it, click on the same switcher. If you are using 3 buttons though, you need to scroll all the way down and use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut instead. Then hit got it and operate one-handed mode thanks to this shortcut. To disable it, click on the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!